You're not afraid of me?
You saved Yaya from that guy.
Yeah!
Hey, what's wrong?
It's nothing. Just got eyes in my sand.
You mean sand in your eyes? Let me see. I can get it out for you.
Oh man, this is so embarrassing! Okay, fine. My mom's the only other person who'll play this with me, so I got emotional. Big deal! Huh?
We're friends now. If you want to play again, come to the shore and blow this. When I hear the conch shell, I'll come from wherever I am. I forgot, I'm Ao Bing. And you?